Welcome to AutomationHQ. Today, we are going to show you how to install Java JDK on Windows for the AutomationHQ Local Agent. First, we'll check if you already have Java JDK and determine which version is installed in your machine. To do this, open Command Prompt and enter the command java -version. In this example, no Java JDK is currently installed on the local machine. AutomationHQ Local Agent requires the minimum version of Java JDK 11.0.2. You can directly download the .zip file of Java JDK 11.0.2 by opening this link. Link will also be posted in the description of this video. Go ahead and extract the downloaded file onto your machine on any location you prefer. Once the extract is done, we need to get the location of the file. To do this, navigate to the extracted file and double-click on the folder. Then copy the file location from the file browser's address bar. Now we need to add this path to the system environments of the local machine. To do this, search from the Start menu Environment Variables and click Edit the System Environment Variables. Then click Environment Variables button. Once you have your environment's variables open, click New under the System Variables. Enter, in all caps, Java_home, as the variable name and paste the path of the Java JDK 11.0.2, as the variable value. Then click OK. Now, find the path under the System Variables and double-click the path. Click New, and enter %Java_home%bin, then click OK. Then click OK on the remaining windows to apply and close the changes you made. Now, let's check if Java JDK 11.0.2 is properly installed in our local machine. To do this, open Command Prompt and enter the command java -version. In some cases, you may need to restart your local machine to apply the environment variable changes. Now, we have successfully installed Java JDK on our local machine, and we can now use AutomationHQ Local Agent.